Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to open a website in VLC Media Player, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite online streaming website. This could be YouTube, Vimeo, or any other site where you want to stream video content. Step 2. In the search box of the streaming site, type YouTube, or whichever site you prefer, and press enter. Step 3. Once you find the video you want to stream, right-click on it and select Copy Link Address. This will copy the URL of the video to your clipboard. Step 4. Now, open VLC Media Player on your PC. Step 5. At the top of the VLC window, click on Media in the menu bar. Step 6. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Open Network Stream. Step 7. A new window will pop up with a field where you can paste the URL. Simply right-click in the field and select Paste, or press Ctrl-V. Step 8. Once the URL is pasted, click on Play at the bottom of the window. VLC will start streaming the video directly from the website. And that's it! You've successfully opened a website video in VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching!